My name's Daniel and I'm the trainer for GreenPainters program. And the GreenPainters program is the national sustainability initiative for the painting industry. I happen to live in the Byron Shire, but I'm very proud that our program is truly national and it's subsidised by government grants that we get from all the different states. But it was started by painting contractors who were concerned about the sustainability of their industry, and that's why we developed the training to help the industry go green. One of the main impacts of paint on the environment is the impact of VOCs. VOCs are found in most conventional paint, and they're the chemicals that you can smell in paint, and they off-gas into the atmosphere. So every year the Australian paint industry puts out about 60,000 tonnes of VOCs into the environment. Those VOCs not only impact on people's health, they cause asthma, respiratory illness, even genetic illnesses, but they also react photochemically in the atmosphere to create ozone gas. And ozone gas at ground level is very poisonous, and it also creates smog. Every year the paint industry contributes about 16% of all VOC emissions Australia-wide. And those VOCs, as I said, they combine with nitrogen oxide to create ozone. Ozone creates things like acid rain, crop damage, and it has an impact on human health. So the paint industry has been undergoing a revolution really to try and reduce the amount of VOCs in paint. So I basically spend my time travelling around Australia talking to painting contractors about what they can do to start using these products, and also other ways that they can reduce their impact on the environment, such as recycling all of their waste, reducing their waste in the first place, and by choosing better products they're going to be reducing the impact that manufacturing has on the environment. So I'm proud to be associated with Byron Bay manufacturers such as Ecolour.
Hi, my name's Stuart Macphee, and my company Ecolour make a range of climate-friendly paints. And as Daniel from GreenPainters has discussed, he's all about environmentally friendly solutions for painting. And I found out about this product and what Daniel did a couple of years ago, and really was surprised to hear about the VOCs that outgas from paint and the nasty effects they have. Hearing some of the studies that that children can have 4 times as many asthma attacks even at 1/8 the level of low VOC paints is quite a startling fact when 1 in 10 people are now an asthmatic. We have a range of products that have been around for about 15 years, but the timing is right for us now. People are aware of VOCs. We're the only manufacturer of completely zero VOC outgassing paints, which is quite extraordinary. The way we do that is take out the nasty preservatives and drying agents and replace them with our own emulsion. And that's made out of recycled engine oil that the government currently collects and don't know what to do with. So we get carbon credits for using that, because it would otherwise be burnt as a fuel, and we're certified carbon neutral, business and products. So Ecolour makes a range of paints that are better for your health, they're better for the planet, same price as regular paints, and every colour that you may want to choose. So Ecolour have a full range of products. We have a undercoat that has got 1.5 times the pigment load of regular paints, so it forms a great base to put down before you put your top coats on. Then what we have is what I've got here is our low sheen wall paint. We also have a gloss for our interior paints. Comes in all bases so that we can also mix up any colour from any colour chart. Using eco tints, these are 99.7% VOC free. And with that, we can mix up any colour from any colour chart. This gives you total freedom of choice, and often with eco paints in the past, you have been limited with the choice and the scrubbability. Our products are all fully scrubbable. One of the concerns people often have around eco paints is that they don't cover as well. This is something that we take very seriously because we believe the only way that you're going to build up a regular customer is to provide a better quality product at the right price. You can't just rely on being green. An example of that is in our Tuscan flat. This product is a flat Mediterranean type finish that will hold moisture and is great for rough surfaces because it softens them. Here you can see it in a light yellow, and this is one coat over red brick. Most times you would always use 3 coats painting, and we recommend a minimum of 2 coats, but you can see what we've achieved with 1 coat on this product. We also have our range of 1 coat products, and these are made in 6 Colorbond colours and are suitable for timber and brick, Besser block walls, and are literally 1 coat. This here is a Besser block wall that received 1 coat of our ebony, and that was about 2 years ago. So what we believe is that if you've got a product that works better and ticks the eco boxes and is also better for your health, why wouldn't you use it? And that's all we're asking. Give it a go. I'm sure you'll be pleased with the results. We know we all were, and that's why a group of us got together and bought the business.
In the Byron Shire, there's 3 painting contractors that have undergone this training and that are using products that are better for the environment. But of course, the training is open to any painting contractor that wants to get involved. They get listed on a government website, they get listed on the GreenPainters website, and we provide them with resources so that they can educate the consumer and also market their business as green, because people are looking for green businesses. It's growing. By the year 2015, about 16% of all government projects will be Green Star rated. And there's a large proportion of consumers in Byron and the rest of Australia that are looking for these kind of services and products.